In math skills today, we are going to learn what are math symbols. So I'm going to read the top. You can follow along in your book, or Mrs. Murphy will point up here. I know it's pretty hard to see, but it says map makers use symbols to show things on a map. A symbol stands for something that is real. Some symbols are pictures like these. They look like what they stand for. So if you look, this looks like a tree. So whenever you see a symbol of this tree, it means that there's actually a tree there on the map. If you see this symbol here of a picture of a house, that means that there is a house there. So now we are going to use your skills. One of the symbols above stands for a house. Write house next to the correct symbol. This should be easy. Guys, which one stands for the house?
That one.
This one. So over by the house, you have to do it next to it. So you can do it above it, below it, to the side. It doesn't matter where you write it, but we're going to spell. Write it with a pencil because there's not much room. Here's the word house, H-O-U-S-E. We're just going to write it kind of next to it somewhere, okay? Write with a pencil, please, because there's not much room. And then when you're done, kind of cross off number one. Yes. Here's the word house. Write it up here. Good job. Here's the word house. Write the word house by it. Good job, Miss Lee. We're not sharpening pencils right now. We're like in the middle of math lessons. All right, number 2. What does the other symbol stand for? Write the word next to the symbol. So this is pretty easy. Eli, what does this stand for?
A tree.
A tree. So Eli, how do you spell tree?
T-R-E.
Good. T-R-E. Two E's put together to make them long. Tree.
That's easy.
And then X off number 2 when you're done. Now, on number 3, we're going to match. So, match these symbols with the photographs. So look at the first one. It looks like they might be at a park. Do you think this hat, the fireman's hat, would be a symbol for the park? The shopping cart or the park? Yes. So draw a line from this picture, this photograph, and then just touch the park like that. You're just matching it. And then the next one, well, this one should be easy. Kinsley, I'm going to ask you because your dad is a firefighter, the chief.
The fire.
Where should we draw the symbol for the fire station?
The hat.
The hat. Yep.
It's
Good job. And then, so the last one, if you want to go like to Walmart or to the grocery store, Ingrid, what would that be a good symbol? The shopping cart.
They buy it. They're neighbors.
Okay, we got the left side done. Now we're on to the right side. The right side says, your turn. Suppose you want to draw a map of your room. Draw your own symbols here. So, the first symbol they want us to draw is a table. Now, I know I don't have a table in my room. You probably don't have a table in your room.
No.
You might, but you probably might not.
I mean,
So,
yes, I do.
you draw a picture as best as you can of a table. And I know tables are kind of hard to draw. Mrs. Murphy is just going to draw a square, a rectangle, I guess, with like 4 legs. But you draw your table however you want.
That was simple. It was pretty simple for me.
No, it was Some of your tables look much better.
Mine looks terrible.
Some of your tables look much better than mine. Okay, number 2. They want us to draw
A bed.
a bed. So I got most of you have a bed or a bunk bed.
I have a king size.
Okay, so go ahead and draw your bed.
Miss Murphy's bed looks better.
Just do your bed.
That's my bed.
I like Raylan. Raylan had a bottom like the bed skirt. Okay, keep working on your
My
bed.
bed's plain.
The next one
Look at my bed. My bed looks plain.
is chair. So,
What?
think of your chairs at school. We have a back, a seat, and then like 4 legs.
4. Oh, you do.
You should see my bed right now.
Raylan and Wyatt, I already see a problem with you guys sitting next to each other.
I have
You
4
keep working,
stories on
talking
my
and not
bed
working.
right now.
Do you already have your chair?
Let me see.
Great. So no talking, no
Count the stories. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 stories on my bed. And I never have
All right.
chair TV.
The last one is TV. And I know
TVs are really
you guys probably didn't have a TV like this, but Mrs. Stewart and I definitely did. We had a TV and it had an antenna onto the top of it where in order to get like your cable and your satellite, you had 2 little metal,
Yeah, I see
like
that.
they called it rabbit ears sometimes because
Yeah.
they stuck out. So I'm going to make my TV look like that.
Same.
You can too, or
Yeah.
you can just make a flat screen rectangle for your TV.
I'm actually building like a TV stand.
A TV. There you go. You can make it on a TV
Wait,
stand.
you need to draw like the board thing. So there's the screen on the left, and then on the other side the control panel.
Like a control panel on it.
You
Do I want to do it, Wyatt? But bigger.
next time, guys.
Let's see. Wyatt says Mrs. Murphy's TV needs a control panel.
What do you mean by actually?
That's Wyatt. Awesome. Okay, Brookline question?
Miss
Maybe a remote?
Murphy.
This is what you really need.
Okay.
This is what you really need.
What?
You need a TV. Ah.
You gotta watch where you're walking there. Okay.
I know what you need. Oh, you're gonna need an operator.
Oh, a
This
TV.
is what you
On a stand.